One, I am back with the new questions from SQL which we are going to solve here. In this question, we need to find the customer reference. Okay, we just need to find the name. Means our target column is just what name. Okay, uh, of the customer that is not referred by. That is not similarly. Where means in condition we need to apply that is not referred by, that is not referred by normally customer id too. So you can just simply see in the table we need to get the name of Will, Jan, Bill and Jack. All right, Will, Jan, Bill and Jack. All right, means Alex and Mark both are referred by um, reference id too. All right, but we don't need this and this. Except these two we need everything. Means even we have to write the condition null as well. Means it should be null in order to get the Will, Jenny, right? So can I just simply write select. In select we will just write that column which we want. Means we want just the name. All right, so I can just simply in the select statement I will write name. From where means here we need to write the table name, that is our customer, from table. And here I will just simply write the where condition. Where, what is the condition? Where customer id is not referred by. Where referred id, where our referred id is not equal to what, 2, right? Or referred id, referred id is what, null, right? Now we can just simply run the query. Yes, done. I hope you all understand the question as well as the output and the logic behind the code. Thank you so much.